2019 Nissan Titan Nightshade Edition. Really nice truck, man. They really upped the game on the Titans. The newer body styles, I like them. They're different. And then he scoots in there. You see that? Trying to get in the camera. I got you. He's got stock converters, 4 of them still. 2 on each side. One there, one there, one there, and one there. Then they come true dualed into a stock muffler. Dual inlet, single outlet. We cut it off and put a MagnaFlow. He didn't want it too loud, so we put a MagnaFlow 18-inch body, dual in, single out. I don't know where, I think it's 12198 is the part number. And then into a 4-inch rolled angle tip, black, right there. Into a stock bumper, tailpipe. There's the MagnaFlow right there. And like always, guys, please subscribe, like, and comment. And it is the Midnight Edition.
Oh yeah, perfect, man. Yeah, that's exactly how it was. Yeah, that's fine.
Wow. Sound decibels? Again? And that over time, that warms up. Yeah. Go ahead and back it out. There's the muffler we cut off of it, guys. Okay. Dual in, single out. You wanted a black tip? Gave him a really nice, clean looking black tip. It just fits the truck perfectly, I think. I like it. Hope you guys like it too. There it is. Nissan Titan Midnight Edition. Tell us what you guys think. Hope you guys like the sound. Let you guys hear on the... Nissan Titan Midnight Edition. If I'd get a Titan, I'd get the Midnight Edition. I like it. Nothing like a blacked out Titan. Or any car, actually. They look good too. Any car looks good in black. That sounds good. He didn't want it loud. He went about 30%. This was about 30-40%. So if you guys wanted 30-40%, go with an 18-inch MagnaFlow like that one. Hope you guys like it. 2005 Nissan Titan 5.6 liter V8. Awesome truck. Still got factory converters there and there. Then what we did, it was widened into a single. We don't like that. So what are we gonna do? True dual. Duels, baby. True duals into something different. The customer brought his own mufflers. They're the Banks Monster, part number 53962. 2 of them. Just make sure you guys, if you do true duals on them, make sure you get them in 2.5, not 3-inch, because we have to expand them to make them fit. So just, you know, makes it a little bit easier on the muffler shop. And then we got 2.25 tailpipes out the back on each side into 4-inch tips rolled. There's the Banks Monster Flowmasters. Oh, Monsters, sorry. Banks Monster mufflers. He said he heard them on a truck of his friends and he loved them, so he went and bought some so we can put them on. And there's the boxes for him. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Banks Monsters. It's tilting now. Look. Do it again. It's different. I like it. Again. That one is not working for some reason. Again. Like 94, 95. Not too loud. So it won't drone too much inside, which is a good thing. And they'll probably take a break-in period too.
Yeah.
Get a little bit louder. What do you think?
All I needed to hear.
You like them?
Sounds great, man.
Heck yeah.
Sounds great.
Banks Monsters. If you guys want, we'll hopefully have a link in the description for them if we find them. Go ahead. Hey, the more it's warming up, the sound is changing. One more? Yeah, it's changing. Tell us what you guys think. I think it sounds good. I like it. Let you guys know. Nissan Titan, 5.6 liter with a Banks Monster system. True Duels. Hopefully he gets on it. He said he will. Let's see. It's definitely different. 2021 Nissan Titan 5.6 liter V8 blacked out edition. Well, we got done on it. It's got stock 4 converters, 2 here, 2 here. Then we true dueled it. It comes true duel into a factory muffler single. We just cut it off and continued the true duels all the way back into 4-inch tips rolled right there. And right there, as you guys can see, that's how you true duel these Nissan Titans. And we put a Cherry Bomb Extreme dual in, dual out muffler on it. It's part number 7481CB, dual in, dual out 2.5, right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There it is. Let's see what she sounds like. 1 second. Loud. You like it? Cherry Bomb Extreme. There's sound decibels. Again. Go ahead and back it out. It's 104. But I think it's louder than that. I think it will be. There's the muffler and tailpipe cut off. Nissan Titan. I like it. Let me let you guys hear it on the inside. Nissan Titan 5.6 liter V8. It's got 4 converters on it, 2 here, 2 here. Then we kept the true duels going. Usually comes true duel in and then single out factory muffler. We said we're gonna keep it true duel. So we did that, put a Flowmaster Super 10, part number 8425154, dual in, dual out, 2.5. There'll be a link in the description for it for you guys. Then 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back on each side, there and there. Into 5-inch black roll tips, because you know, why not? It looks a lot better with it on there. Much better than those 3-inch and 4-inch tips people put. So let us know what you guys think. Hope you guys like it. There it is. And like always, please comment, like, and subscribe. Much better. Oh yeah. Like it. You know you have a good wife when she gives them a thumbs up when she hears it. There's sound decibels. Again. 110, man, that's loud. Heck yeah. And see on idle, you can hear it now. It sounds really good. Oh yeah, much better. Oh, so much better. Flowmaster Super 10. Dual in, dual out. Nissan Titan. Let you guys hear on the inside. Nissan Titan 2007 5.6 liter V8 beast. True Duels Flowmaster Super 10 and 5-inch tips. See how deep it makes the 5-inch tips change it. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, I love it. Hope you guys like it. 2011 Nissan Titan 5.6 liter V8. Really nice truck. There's the cats. It's got a total of 4 on it, 2 on each side, 2 back ones, there and there. Then it comes wide into it comes true dual from the factory into a dual in single out muffler. So he wanted something different, so we made him something different. We made him a custom Y pipe right there. Then put a Dynomax race bullet, part number 24215. And there'll be a link in the description for the Y pipe. I don't know about the Y pipe, but for the race bullet and a 5-inch tip. Then we reuse his tailpipe and put a 5-inch roll tip on it right there. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Oh yeah, much better. Like that? That's perfect. There's the muffler we cut off of it right there. Again. Dynomax race bullets. Sound decibels 107. Go ahead and back it out. Is that what you were looking for? That's perfect. See that? Perfect. I like that.
Sound good.
Yeah. It looks good with that 5-inch tip on it too. That sounds really nice. I like it. Dynomax race bullet. Nissan Titan. Let you guys hear on the inside. Nissan Titan. Dynomax race bullet and 5-inch tip.